Hi, this is Peter from Localazy, and today I want to show you how you can make your localization process even more easy for you and your team with the help of the new feature called automations. The most common use case is automating machine translations. You can see here I have my example project ready, and the usual way that you would now fix this missing translation is to go here and use machine translations. Now in a few seconds your content is translated. That's great, but surely you don't want to go to Localazy after every upload, right? I can show you how to solve it with automations. Let's create a new one. You can see that this is already the default action that is selected, but there's like 10 or so other actions that you can automate here, including merging project updates into another branch, copying translation to another language, which I will show in a minute, hiding or showing source keys, deleting deprecated source keys, and stuff like that. So now we want to translate everything we upload into Czech. In the next step, you select the triggers, which is when the key is updated, imported, or created manually. That's all we need. And in the next step, you can even set some filters here, but we want it to happen every time. That's it. Now, in the project, we had two variants of German. And let's say I have two colleagues from Austria and Germany who will take care of these translations for me. So I can set up automation and copy the German translation into Austrian German, so the second translator has a little bit easier job. So we go and copy translation to another language. Now it's set up a little backwards because you have to find the target language first, and you want to send the copied translation to review, so the second guy can come in and approve it as it is or do some minor changes. And now you want to trigger this when the source key is translated, and here comes the filters. You want to filter it by language, and you want German. When a key is translated into German, that translation will be automatically copied and sent for review for Austrian German. Let's create this one. And now you can see we have two automations here, generating machine translation into Czech and copying translation from German to Austrian German. Now, when I go here and I create a new key, that will show us the automations in action. Here we go. Immediately after I created that source key, it's translated into Czech language. German translator comes in, goes and clicks translate. You will see this string is a new one. He will probably use some suggestion from our machine translation if it's correct, and saves it. And now the Austrian German is for review. It was for translation, but now the translation was copied from the German translation. And this guy comes in and says, oh, this is wrong, actually it should be something else, and he approves it anyway. So that's it. That's how automations can help you streamline your workflows, and I will show you more advanced concepts in another video. See you in the next one.